Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Thank you. Please be seated.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, before we start on our discussion, let me introduce myself first. My name is Jenica Ablaneda and I am going to be your science teacher for today. So, class, pwede niyo ba akong bigyan ng mga halimbawa ng plants na alam niyo?
Ma'am, coconut tree po.
Very good. Ano pa kaya? Mr. Vista.
Mango tree po, ma'am.
Very good. Yung mga nabanggit nyo ay ilan lamang sa mga halimbawa ng plants na makikita natin dito sa paligid natin. So, sa palagay nyo class, ano kaya yung mga kailangan ng mga plants to survive?
Ma'am, water po.
Very good. Ano pa?
Sunlight po.
Very good. So, class, kailangan din ng mga plants ng nutrients to survive, to produce food and develop healthy structure. So, bago tayo tumako sa ating discussion, basahin ko muna yung mga learning outcomes na kailangan nyo ma-attain after our lesson.
Okay, ma'am.
So, number 1, identify the major parts of plants. Second is show appreciation for the role of plants in maintaining life by actively participating in discussion. Third, draw and label the different parts of plants. So, maliwanag ba, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, plants, class, are one of the most important pillars of life in Earth. It plays a crucial role on the survival of well-being of humans, who both relies on animals and plants for survival, sustenance, and thriving. So, ang mga plants ay nagtataglay ng mga unique na structure and function. So, makikita nyo dito, class, yung mga parts and functions of plants. So, simulan natin sa flower. Ang function niya is to make seeds to continue the cycle of the plants. Second one is the stem. Ang stem naman, siya yung nagsusupport sa leaves and carries water, minerals, and food throughout the plant. Then, the leaf. Yung function naman ng leaf is to absorb sunlight and carbon dioxide to make food for the plant. Roots. Ang function naman ng roots is to anchor the plant and absorb water and minerals from the soil. So, meron din tayo ditong seed. Siya yung nagpo-produce ng new plants. And dito sa mga namumungang plants naman, meron tayong fruits. Siya yung nagpo-protect ng seeds and helps with seed dispersal. So, maliwanag ba, class?
Yes, ma'am.
So, napaka-importante ng plant sa ating class kasi nagpo-provide siya sa atin ng food. Halimbawa, yung mga gulay na kinakain natin, mga prutas, yung mga nuts, mga bigas, siya yung nagbibigay sa atin. Then, siya din yung ginagamit sa mga medicinal purposes. Di ba may mga kayong mga uri ng plants na pwedeng makagamot. Halimbawa, yung talbos ng dahon ng bayabas, oregano. Ilan lang yun sa mga example nun. So, ngayon, dahil natapos na natin yung discussion, sigurado ako kaya nyo na itong sagutan activity natin. So, who wants to answer, class? Thank you, class. So, check natin. So, number 1, the roots of a plant absorb water and nutrients from the soil. So, it is true. Number 2, leaves are responsible for photosynthesis, which provides foods for plants. True din siya. Number 3, fruits protect the seeds and help in seed dispersal. True. Number 4, flowers are the main part of the plant responsible for water absorption. So, false siya. Number 5, humans use plants as a source of food, medicine, and clothing. True siya. Number 6, trees which are plants help in reducing air pollution. True din siya. Number 7, the stem helps in producing food for the plant through photosynthesis. False to. Number 8, plants do not play a role in maintaining the water cycle. False din siya. Number 9, plants are not important for providing oxygen to humans. False. Number 10, the stem carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves and flowers. Ito, true siya. So, let's move on to the next activity. So, supposed to be class, haatiin ko kayo sa tatlong group. Each group, pipili kayo ng magiging leader. Then, yung magiging leader na yun, siya yung bubunod mula dun sa prepare kong rolled papers. Then, each rolled papers may mga kaakibat siyang task. So, mag-work kayo collaboratively with your classmates. Then, now let's proceed in this activity. So, answer this class in a 1/2 sheet of paper. Answer only. And kailangan nyo yung matapos within 5 minutes. Okay, class, are you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Please pass your paper. So, very good class. So, na-surprise ba kayo sa role ng plants?
Yes, ma'am.
Tungkol nga ulit saan ang naging topic natin? Sir. Mr. Sista.
About the parts and the function of the plants.
Very good. So, thank you class sa pakikinig. So, that's all for today. Goodbye class.
Goodbye, ma'am.